Everyone says use AI. Nobody shows you how. So here it is, the 5 skills that separate people who get useful answers from people who get generic junk. No jargon, no coding, and every tool I show you has a free version. First, what these tools actually are. An AI chatbot is a prediction machine. It read an enormous amount of text, and it predicts what words should come next. That's it. This one fact explains everything else. Why it's brilliant at rewriting your email, and why it sometimes states a wrong fact with total confidence. All you need to follow along is a web browser. Skill 1. Pick your tool. There are 3 big ones, and they all have a free tier. ChatGPT is the default. It has about 1 billion weekly users, and it's the best all-arounder for everyday tasks. Gemini is built into Google, so it's strongest if you live in Gmail, Docs, and Sheets. Claude leads with professional users, and it's especially good at long documents and careful writing. Here's the honest truth. For a beginner, the differences barely matter. Pick one, sign up free, and learn it properly. Switching later takes about 10 minutes. Skill 2, and this is the big one. How to write a prompt that works. Most people type 5 words and get a useless answer. A good prompt has 4 parts. Role. Tell it who to be. Task. Say exactly what you want. Context. Give it the background only you know. Format. Describe what the answer should look like. Watch the difference. Write a marketing email gets you bland filler. But the full version gets something you can actually send. Same tool, same second. The only thing that changed was the instruction. Skill 3. Treat it like a conversation, not a vending machine. Beginners ask one question, dislike the answer, and give up. Experienced users push back. Make it half as long. Rewrite it for someone who's 15. That third point is wrong. Here's why. You don't need to start over. The tool remembers the whole conversation, so each correction builds on the last. Your second or third message is usually where the good answer appears. Skill 4. Give it your own material. This is the step most beginners never take, and it's where AI stops being a toy. Upload a PDF and ask for a summary. Paste a spreadsheet and ask what's changing. Drop in a photo and ask what's wrong with it. Instead of asking a general question about the world, you're asking a specific question about your document. The answers get dramatically better because now it has the facts in front of it. Skill 5. Know when not to trust it. Remember, it predicts likely words, so when it doesn't know something, it often invents an answer that merely sounds right. This is called hallucination. It makes up statistics, court cases, even book titles. So use this rule. If being wrong would cost you money, time, or credibility, verify it. Ask for sources and open them. Never paste in passwords or private client data. And treat medical, legal, and financial answers as a starting point, not advice. That's the whole skill set. Pick one tool, write prompts with role, task, context, and format. Keep talking to it instead of starting over. Feed it your own documents, and verify anything that matters. 52% of workers now use AI, but only 15% use it daily. The gap isn't talent. It's these 5 habits. Pick one real task this week and do it with AI. That's how it clicks.